Today we shall begin endocrine glands. Let us first talk about glands. What are glands? We can say glands are modified cells or group of cells that produce some secretions. In fact, these are specialized epithelial tissues. There are a large number of glands inside our body. According to the presence or absence of ducts, glands are of two main types. These are exocrine glands and endocrine glands. However, some glands having both exocrine and endocrine parts are called heterocrine or mixed glands. Let us first talk about the differences between exocrine and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands are with ducts, and so they are also called ducted glands. However, endocrine glands are without ducts, so they are called ductless glands. You may think, what is duct? In fact, ducts are tubes or pipelines through which secretions or materials can be transported. So duct-bearing glands are exocrine glands and ductless glands are endocrine glands. Exocrine glands usually lie near the site of their axons. However, endocrine glands lie far from the site of their axons. Exocrine glands produce various secretions like saliva, enzymes, oil, sweat, etc. However, endocrine glands produce hormones. Exocrine glands send their secretions through their own ducts. The endocrine glands send their secretions through bloodstream. They do not have their own ducts, so they use blood circulation. Exocrine glands produce their secretions usually in large amount. However, endocrine glands produce their secretions in very small amount. Common examples of exocrine glands are liver, salivary glands, sweat glands, and so on. The endocrine glands include pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, etc. In this slide, you are seeing the examples of exocrine glands. One is liver, another salivary gland. Liver is a large, massive gland of our body. It produces bile juice, and its secretion is sent into the intestine through a common bile duct. Similarly, salivary gland is another example of exocrine gland. It consists of a large number of acini made up of secretory cells, and these secretory cells send their secretions into the network of ductules. The different fine ductules unite and reunite to form short salivary duct. Salivary glands found around buccal cavity, and liver lies near intestine. In another slide, we are seeing the examples of endocrine glands. Here we see two important endocrine glands of our body: the pituitary gland near brain and the thyroid gland in the neck. Now, let us talk about major endocrine glands of our body. Here is the list of different endocrine glands of the body. One is pituitary gland, situated inside cranium just below brain, and the thyroid gland is located in our neck in front of trachea. On the backside of thyroid gland, there are parathyroid glands. Pancreas lies near stomach, and the adrenal glands are found one above each kidney. Gonads are the names for reproductive organs. There are two types of gonads: testes and ovaries. Testes are found in males, which remain located outside abdominal cavity. Our ovaries are found only in females, and these lie in lower abdominal cavity. Remember, all different endocrine glands are almost same in male and female except gonads. Ovaries found in female body, our testes in males only. Before starting the study of different endocrine glands, let us see the hormones. Remember, hormones are chemicals produced by endocrine glands. So we can say hormones are the secretions of endocrine glands. As endocrine glands do not have their own ducts, hormones are carried by blood to different parts of the body. Hormones control the body functions, so also called chemical messengers. They are required in minute quantity for normal functioning of the body. Their higher and lower, both the levels, cause different disorders in the body. Higher level or oversecretion of a hormone is called hypersecretion, while lower level or undersecretion of a hormone is called hyposecretion. Now, let us talk about the different endocrine glands of our body one by one. First, the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is a small, single, median, rounded and pea-sized gland of white color. It lies inside the cranial cavity of a skull. The pituitary gland remains attached with the brain and is situated in a small depression at the floor of the cranium. This is called sella turcica. Thus, the pituitary gland forms a link between nervous system and endocrine system. Pituitary gland secretes several hormones and regulates the activities of almost all the endocrine glands of the body. Hence, it is often termed as master gland of the body. The two main hormones produced by pituitary gland are growth hormone and tropic hormones. Growth hormone is also called somatotropin hormone. It controls the normal growth of the entire body, especially that of bones and muscles. The tropic hormones are also called stimulating hormones. These regulate the growth and activities of other endocrine glands of the body. These are mainly thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropin hormone, gonadotropin hormone, and antidiuretic hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone regulates the activities of thyroid gland. Adrenocorticotropin hormone stimulates the activity of adrenal glands. Gonadotropin hormones control various activities of gonads. Remember, gonads include testes and ovaries. Antidiuretic hormone regulates urine formation in kidneys. Thus, different hormones control different activities of different glands or organs. Now, let us talk about the disorders caused due to higher or lower level of hormones. Higher level of a hormone is called hypersecretion and lower level is called hyposecretion. Hyposecretion of growth hormone during childhood results in the disease dwarfism. Dwarfism is characterized by stunted growth. In this case, growth of the body stops and the secondary sexual characters do not appear. Hypersecretion of growth hormone during childhood when the body is growing results in gigantism. Gigantism is characterized by extra tall person with disproportionately long limbs. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in adult causes acromegaly. It is characterized by wide jaws, wide shoulders, thick hands and feet, and gorilla-like individual. This is all about pituitary gland. We shall discuss other endocrine glands in our next video. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. Do like and share this video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.